Wanna improve your digital marketing experience with WordPress? You need to use this if you want to reach that. In the world of digital marketing, it is all about doing marketing using digital channels like websites, social media, mobile device, search engines, and many more. In this video, we will bring you to website marketing, one of digital marketing's type using website as a channel for doing marketing. A website is the center of all digital marketing activities. It is a very powerful channel on its own, but it's also an important way to break down various forms of online advertising. A website should represent the brand, product, and service in a clear and memorable way. It should be fast, user-friendly, and easy to use. To become a user-friendly website, we should focus on the front part of the website, the one that will be the first page that will be seen by the visitors. It is landing page. In digital marketing, a landing page is a standalone web page, created specially for a marketing or advertising campaign. It is where a visitor lands after they click on a link in an email or ads from Google, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or a similar place on the web. Unlike web pages, which typically have many goals and encourage exploration, landing pages are designed with a single focus or goal, known as call to action or CTA for short. Then what is call to action? A call to action is a prompt of a website that tells the user to take some specified action. A call to action is typically written as a command or action phrase, such as sign up or buy now, and generally takes the form of a button or hyperlink. With this, I hope you guys finally knows where will this video goes on. Yes, good CTA button will impact the landing page, but regarding to that, we should have a beautiful and user-friendly landing page so that we can reach our goals. Then how to create a good CTA button? How to make it user-friendly and also beautiful? Here are some tips about how to create a good CTA button. The first one is good design. The best call to action needs to grab the user's attention. So a bright button color that contrasts with the color of the page or an email is an effective strategy. The second one is high visibility. Because the call to action should be the most noticeable thing on the page, the font size should be large enough to command attention. The third one, clear benefit. Stating a clear benefit that the user will get from completing the transaction is an effective way to get them to click. The fourth one is actionable text. A call to action, as its name implies, is designed to compel the user to take action. So an effective CTA should use action words such as discover, learn more, and buy now. The fifth one is short in length. A good call to action should be a short phrase, not a sentence. Most are no longer than 5 to 7 words. And the last one is sense of urgency. Users are easily distracted on the internet, so a strong sense of urgency, such as a limited time offer, can help compel users to take action immediately instead of putting off taking action. With these things, good CTA button will lead your visitors to your needs. Speaking about good CTA button, I have a recommendation for you that you have to consider. There's a plugin called Floating Some Button. With these plugins, you can do almost everything, not just CTA button. It also offers you other benefits like added scroll to top and display custom pop-up. It offers an unlimited number of sticky action buttons with a bunch of action and styling options, so you can customize it as the way you want it to be, whether it's the color, size, position, filter, or animation. I will put the link on the description, so make sure to check it out. Okay, I think that's all for today. Since it's quite a long explanation, let me summarize it for you. Website is one of digital marketing's channel. To improve your digital marketing experience on website, you have to create a beautiful and user-friendly landing page. Regarding to that, you should have a clear CTA button too, so that it will bring you visitors more than you imagine. Lastly, don't forget to check out our plugins that can help you to improve your site and digital marketing experience. If you have any question, feel free to ask me on the comment section below. Thank you for watching. See you in another video. Bye!